Hi, everybody. So today is a little bit different. I am not going to be talking about typical SEO, AEO stuff on this video. I am going to be talking about a book that we just published on answer engine optimization, and I am doing a special. So if you want to buy it on Kindle, it's $2, which is less than a cup of coffee. Or if you have Kindle Unlimited, it's free. This promotion is not going to last that long, but this book basically has an entire blueprint of what GreenBanana uses to rank sites for us as well as our clients in Gemini, Perplexity, ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, and more. It has an SEO foundation component of it, and it has very simple steps on how to get your site ranking in answer engines, how to test it, and how to measure it. So even if you have a little bit of SEO or HTML or WordPress knowledge, you'll be able to do this on your own. If you don't, you give this to a developer, and there's literally a step-by-step blueprint in it. I also made the book a little less boring by adding the story of some of the struggles that we had at GreenBanana and that I've been able to thankfully make it through. And also I use an analogy of a ski mountain. So if you ski, it's going to be really interesting. If you don't ski, you'll still understand as long as you can understand a trail map, which is basically how you get up and down mountains. So it's, even if you don't ski, it's pretty self-explanatory. But that analogy makes it a little bit more, or let's say a little bit less boring. So again, I'm having a special. It's $2 on Kindle. It is free on Kindle Unlimited. If you like it, please send a review. If you don't like it, that's fine. Give a review anyways. Just don't make it terrible. I'd rather have a comment personally. Either way, I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you in advance if you will download this and read it and save it on your bookshelf. Again, special $2 and 0 on Kindle Unlimited. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.